TotalAV's antivirus capabilities are frequently tested by industry-leading bodies and have achieved multiple perfect scores and top product awards. So when it comes to removing viruses, we do it very well. Every year, millions of new viruses and malware variants are released online, designed to target your personal data and financial information. At TotalAV, we know how frustrating and damaging an infection can be. The best virus removal tools today combine real-time protection, intelligent threat detection, and system optimization to keep your device running smoothly. When you run a full scan with TotalAV, it doesn't just detect viruses, it removes them safely and helps prevent new infections before they start. Our software then continuously monitors your system, blocks malicious websites, and keeps your data secure while you work, stream, or shop online. So if you suspect your computer might be infected, or you just want to make sure that it's clean and protected, running a virus scan with TotalAV is a smart first step. It's quick, simple, and gives you peace of mind knowing that your system is safe.